Hello guys, Dark Lord here again. I hope you all fine. In my previous video I talked about the forex and its currency pairs. In this video I am going to talk about the most asking question in IQ option called SNR. First we understand its meaning and explanation, then we go to its logic for better understanding. S means support, R means resistance, so SNR means support and resistance. In market, these are the particular levels of the price at which it is thought that the price will tend to stop or reverse. These levels are denoted by multiple touches of the price without a breakout of the level. For example, in this picture we are seeing multiple levels of the market from where market will reverse. Check out the level 1. Market come to this level, touch the level and reverse. See the second level. Market again come to this level, touch this level and reverse. Why the market could not penetrate to this particular level? It's because the market faced some kind of a hurdle called support. A support is a level where the price tends to find support as it falls. This means that the price is more likely to bounce off this level rather than break through it. For example, in this picture market comes to level 1 and reverse. Then again market comes to level 2 and reverse. It means there is some kind of a support here. Okay, I hope you understand it. Next is resistance level. It's the opposite of support level. A resistance is a level where the price tends to find resistance as it rises. This means that the price is more likely to bounce off this level rather than break through it. For example, in this picture market comes to level 1 and reverse. Then again market comes to level 2 and reverse. It means there is some kind of a resistance here which does not allow the market to pass through that area. Now we understand of both the support and resistance. The logic of these support and resistance is that after coming to that particular points, buyer and seller does not have enough money to buy or sell. So they stop buy or sell and give their turn to opposite group so that they can buy or sell. In the market we are buyers and sellers at the same time because we can buy and sell in the market at same particular points. Next is the concept of breakout of a support and resistance. Market does not run in a same pattern every time. Sometimes it can bounce off SNR level, sometimes it's not. Therefore, we work on sure charts, not on SNR levels. Back to the topic. When buyers and sellers are in good power, they break the hurdle of support and resistance. After breakout, sometimes market back again to touch the SNR level called retracement. Or sometimes market continue to his journey to the next SNR level. For example, in this picture, this number 1 candle break the SNR level. Sorry, I forgot to tell you one more thing, that breakout is always occur with the long candle. For example, in this picture, these 3 levels are SNR levels. Market come to these levels and then reverse. And after that, this big green candle break the SNR area. It's the long candle, right? Strong SNR needs a big strong candle to break the area. This is the example of retracement. This number 1 big candle crossed the SNR area and market comes back to touch the SNR area called retracement. In this picture, the power of the buyers are too strong that after breaking the SNR area by this big candle, market did not come back, rather it goes for next SNR area. Now we understand 4 things. Number 1 support, number 2 resistance, number 3 breakout and number 4 retracement. So can we trade on these levels? No, because this strategy have low percentage of winning ratio. The winning ratio of this strategy is only 60 to 65% out of 100. So why risk the money? Therefore, we work on short chart to improve the winning ratio. You will trade on these after you go on next level in our group. Try hard, be patient. This is the goal of our group. That's it for today. If you want to join our group, link is in description below. If you are already the member of this group, post your mistakes in the group. Masters are there for help along myself. In our next video, we will go more deep into the SNR. Till that time, bye bye.